BlackRock just put over $1 billion into a $16 stock, and nobody is talking about it. Now, before I tell you which stock it is, you need to understand what BlackRock actually is. This is not a hedge fund making a risky bet. This is the largest asset manager on the planet. They manage over $10 trillion in assets. When they quietly build a position worth over $1 billion in a single stock, trading at $16, that is not an accident. That is a calculated decision made by the smartest money in the room, and they did it without making a single headline. The stock is SOFI Technologies, ticker SOFI, a digital bank that lets you borrow, invest, save, and spend all in one place, and one that most retail investors either forgot about or gave up on a long time ago. But BlackRock didn't. They have been quietly building their position for over a year and just disclosed 64.7 million shares on April 27th, representing 5.1% of the entire company. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. On April 29th, SOFI reported earnings. They beat revenue estimates by $50 million, posted $1.1 billion in revenue, grew 43% year over year, and broke records for new members and loan originations. By every number that actually matters, it was a strong quarter. But Wall Street does not always reward strong quarters. Sometimes it punishes them for the wrong reasons. Management decided not to raise their guidance for the rest of the year. Not because the business was struggling, not because anything broke. They simply kept their forecast the same after beating estimates by $50 million. And that one decision was enough for Wall Street to ignore every record the company just set and sell the stock down 15% in a single day, straight back to $16. Think about what that actually means right now. SoFi's own CEO bought shares personally at $17.32 in March. BlackRock disclosed their billion-dollar position at prices higher than where the stock sits today. And after a quarter where the company grew 43% and broke multiple records, the stock is now cheaper than what both of them paid. The people who understand what is happening here are sitting quietly. The people who don't are the ones selling. Follow at Fox of Stocks for updates on moves like this every day before the rest of the market figures it out.